Hello, my name is Babajide Olufemi. I own a 12-floor high-rise building in Ikoyi, which has about 80 units. I have been managing this property for over 6 years. Managing multiple tenants, managing multiple apartments, the security features, the elevators, parking, and legal issues like this. So managing these stuff manually is challenging. Yeah, we relied on estate agents and, manual log. So this made, maintenance requests delayed sometimes. It made, communication with tenants sometimes inconsistent. Yeah, we heard about OurProperty NG from another agent. So he recommended it to us and made it known to us it's really nice and very useful for managing multi-unit complex. My first impression of the app, it was really nice. I really liked it because from the dashboard, it showed immediately the occupancy, it showed real-time rent payments, it showed maintenance requests all in one place, just as a go. So I give them a thumbs up for that. The payments are automated and there's a lot of notifications. So tenants receive notifications before their rents are due. So because of this, late payments are now rare. Maintenance are carried out on the app. Tenants make maintenance requests on the app, and then from the app I can assign vendors, I can assign work teams. So I can also manage and receive notifications on how the work is going without having to move around. Yes, announcements, notice, and updates reach everyone immediately. I can check everything from my phone or laptop, whether I'm at home or abroad. I can access anything. Definitely, maintenance is faster, disputes are minimized, and tenants feel cared for. Yeah, I can track income, expenses, occupancy rate instantly, and that helps immensely with budgeting and investment planning. Yes, feature I love so much is the centralized tenant tracking, monitoring rather, and also the real-time tenant maintenance feature. Absolutely, I no longer have to worry about late payments and then tenants maintenance requests and complaints. This has handled it significantly. Yes, without a doubt. A property manager who's managing multiple complexes definitely need this app. Yes, it makes managing large residential complex simple, stress-free, and organized. Yes, invest in a platform that prioritizes centralized management. Manual handling of property management doesn't cut it anymore, especially when you're dealing with multiple office complexes. But with Property NG, you can manage multiple complex, multiple office units, multiple residential units in a very stress-free, efficient, and wonderful manner.